Welcome to the how-to. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how-to videos. So now let's go. How to do something better. How-to videos are essential for beginners. An easy-to-understand how-to video can be the answer to all of your problems. Whether you want to know how to do something better, or even just find a new way to do things, you should always know how to do it right the first time. A simple how-to can sometimes be the answer to more advanced questions. Below are some helpful tips to help you get started on your journey to know how to do something. If you have a general idea of what you would like to learn from your video, then start by reviewing it from top to bottom to get a general idea of what you would like to see in your next video. A good how-to has an informal and sometimes very brief video or text explaining how to do something. A very short and informal how-to might leave out some important details just for the sake of being simple, but is also usually intended to help beginners and so might leave out key information just to make it easier for more experienced users. You should have a very good idea of what kind of information you would like to include, and then write the how-to in as much detail as possible, allowing your viewers to fill in any gaps that they may find. A good way to begin learning how to do something is to have a goal in mind. When you first start your video, be sure to list the steps you would like to learn from your video and also the things you want to have happen throughout your video. This will give you a clear direction to work towards and motivate you to learn faster. The goal should also be short, concise and to the point, avoiding long-winded videos that bore your audience and might lose them in the process. You may not always be able to explain everything in the video at the start. That's okay, because a lot of people do not expect you to do that. However, you should try to come across as a more knowledgeable person and not as a stutterer. The best way to do this is to tell someone you trust about your how-tos and watch them critique them. You should also consider that there are no set rules when writing how-to videos and that the more specific you get with how-to, the instructions the better it will seem. Once you have written out your how-tos and videos, you need to make them as clear as possible. Use bullet points, subheadings and subtitles to further clarify points and try to make the video as short and to the point as possible. Don't be afraid to add in extra information at times if you think it will be helpful to your viewers. Keep your videos interesting and informative as well, as viewers like to have a quick, easy to follow and understandable flow. Once you have mastered the basics of how to video writing and video production, it will become second nature to you and soon your audience will become familiar with the way you talk and what you say. It will also be easier to share your video and you can begin to learn about different topics in depth. Remember, no matter what subject you choose to teach, you need to have a good source of knowledge, a good video to teach, and you need to be able to explain things clearly to your audience in a way that helps them understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how-to.